One, two, one, two. Hey, okay, Crypto Hop coming at you. What's up, everybody? This is crazy. This is crazy. As you mature as an investor, you always want to. Personally, I don't sit there and go, "Oh, I told you so." I'm not. You cannot predict the top. You cannot predict the bottom, right? I've learned to each their own. You do your time studying. You put in your research. Everybody has a different portfolio, a different experience in life that create different scenarios. On this channel, I just like to share what I'm doing is like I'm not like this, financially independent guru investor yet. You guys are watching my journey, and as I learn, it's fun stuff, man. When you start making money learning like this. So, two things. Yesterday I made a video. I did some research, and I just can't understand why there's so many people saying that silver is going to go to hundreds and hundreds of dollars per ounce. Doesn't make sense. Every electronic, the higher-end electronics that we use as consumers, has silver in it. Why would we want to pump the price so high to where the top Mag 7 manufacturers in this country are starting to not be as profitable because buying silver is too expensive? What do you think they're going to do? They're not going to lose revenue. They're going to re-engineer their products to use different precious metals in their technology. So that just seemed to be a logical thing. I read some stuff and I kind of came to this conclusion. If you want, I'll put my video at the end right there. But this video today is not, I told you so. This is a video that's kind of describing. I'm turning the page from yesterday. I couldn't even believe how silver got up to $88. Look at this. I'm going to show you this article next, but look at this, dude. Look at this. This is crazy to me. This is crazy to me right here. Look at this thing. This is the candle yesterday. That was Wednesday, the 29th. Okay? Now, gosh, this was just green. This candle today was just green. I just looked at it, and now it turned red. I can't even believe what I'm seeing right now. These moving averages kinked heavily. That's the 13, I believe. The yellow one right here, it kinked. So what I'm saying is today, I don't know if this is after hour trading on Friday, but I believe it was today. Look at this. It went up to $88.18. I mean, I knew this had to be the top. It's like I was thinking about selling the last bit of my silver, not for fiat dollars, but I put into crypto or potentially sell some options on stocks. I'm not talking about on this channel to hold fiat money. That's what I had a couple comments like, "Oh, silver will always be better than fiat." I'm not talking about that. When we use the word sell with investing, that's to reallocate into other assets that we think could continue to move up. That's what that's all about. Now, I marked this for today. Look at this, ladies and gentlemen. Would you look on the screen right here? I have never seen this in my lifetime. Silver dropped 20.5% in one day. It could be a little bit lower depending on what that wick does today. I've never seen that. Has anybody ever seen a stock drop that much other than it is if it's not going bankrupt? I mean, this is cryptocurrency stuff. I have never seen any other asset class drop. Do you know what happened, dude, if like the S&P 500 dropped 20% in one day? I mean, people would be, it would be chaos around the world. So that's what I'm showing you here. And then secondly, tokenized silver volume explodes as metal prices rise to record. So the tokenized silver conversation, I need to look at this a little deeper. I like the idea because here's what's up. And I did keep some. And I'm going to share this. Look at these bad boys. It was kind of cool because on this article right here, look what, I've got the same Scottsdale 10-ounce bar is what they posted on CoinDesk. These are pure, man. These are beautiful beautiful pieces right here. I love these things. These are the Scottsdale. There's the back of it. Scottsdale 10 ounce, 99.9% pure silver. That's as high as you can get. You can't go 100%. These are the highest, 99.9% troy ounce silver. But I thought it was just kind of fun that they put these same exact bars that I am holding right now on this article. So it's hard to carry this stuff around. You got to bring it down to the coin shop. And here's what a lot of people don't understand. When you go to sell silver, there's a spot price. They always give their selling price a certain percentage below spot. And so when it was around, $65, I sold some. I think it was minus like $3 off spot, which is kind of big, dude. That's kind of a large. I'm like, damn, that's a pretty big spread. As it goes up, you know what? Let's call them. I'm actually gonna do this live right now, not live, but on the recording that I'm doing. I'm calling the coin shop right now to see how far off they are from the spot price and if they're even selling right now. So while I'm waiting here, let's look at these bullet points. Interest in silver is rising in tokenized markets with trading volumes increasing alongside future ETFs due to recent volatility. See, now we're talking about this tokenized thing. Tokenized version of the iShares Silver, okay, it's an SLV, saw 12,000% increase in monthly transfer volume and 3,000 rise in holders over. Yeah, hey, I was just wondering what you guys are paying out for silver. How much less than spot price?
It really depends on what it is that you have.
Oh, some Scottsdale bars, 10 ounce bars.
So for those ones, right now, for each one of those would pay $661.60 right now. It's $5.
It's 5 under. So that's as of today. What spot price?
71.50.
Oh, we came down to 71. And so that changes, right? Because
Down quite a bit.
I know, I don't know if it was closed on Friday, but I saw it did go way up to $88. If
Well, yeah, how the market works is it closes every Friday afternoon for the weekend.
Okay, so that may have been the opening for today. Got it. Okay. And so, for example, if it does go up to 88, how much off of that would you purchase per ounce?
I mean, the
You know,
market is so volatile. To be completely honest with you, I couldn't even guess.
okay. So like at
I mean,
71, so you guys are minus 5 when it's at 71. Okay. Got it. So it may, I don't know, another $10, maybe $6 back, something like that.
maybe.
Okay.
I mean, the reason, like, I mean, I'm not trying to like be difficult, but
Oh,
like,
sure.
there really just isn't an answer to that.
No, I
You
get
just have
that.
to wait and see.
Yeah, for sure. I actually trade options and stuff, and you can't really tell until it's time. So hey, I appreciate your time. Good luck with the crazy volatility that we're seeing out there. Um,
Man, it's been bananas.
Bananas. All right, man. Appreciate your time.
Oh yeah, my pleasure. You have a good day.
You too.
Thanks.
Bye. That's cool. Yeah, there's some uncertainty. There's some uncertainty. They don't know exactly. They have. I mean, so if you go down here to sell your silver at $70, they're only going to give you 65 an ounce. That's pretty high percentage, if you ask me. So going back to the tokenization, this might make more sense. But hey, there is something about touching real currency, and I know you're not supposed to get oil on. I'll wash these off after, but to keep them really nice. But I like to keep some silver in hand. This is true currency. Those of you precious metal gurus, there's you guys can probably identify with what I'm saying, but there's a certain type of energy and a vibe when you're touching real currency, as opposed to the paper dollars. right? I mean, the paper dollars just, they don't have that same feel. Okay, now for whatever that is, maybe because this is real and the other one's not. But you know, I want to share that with you guys. So, I'm going to study up a little bit more on this tokenization. I know this will be easier to buy and sell than to physically go down and have to, talk to a person you don't know. The amount that they're off spot, we don't know how accurate that is all the time. So, just want to share that with you guys. Again, we have educated guesses. My video yesterday, I'm going to put it up here, and there was no way that I could see silver going much higher. It just did not make sense for multiple reasons. Because we use silver in a lot of our technological products, data centers, all the above. So we can't. It's kind of like oil. We want, if you're an oil investor, you want it to go up, but it can't go too high because you're going to see those gas prices at the pump get costly. If you drive a lot, right? If you travel and you have, for work purposes, having to put on multiple miles per day, it's that kind of thing. So just want to share that with you guys. Thanks for checking in. Feel free to comment below if you are holding silver. I really do appreciate the silver holders' comments, even if they are kind of negative, doom and gloom or not. I love it. I love it. Like I said, each and every one of us on our own journey with this goal of becoming financially independent, and so every person's situation is different. Get out there, people. Get outside. Get away from work savings. The market closed. I think we got a new candle posting now. Try to get the last bit of sunlight for the day and do something fun. We got some weather coming in here. I know some of the resorts are opening up. Got to go try out those new bindings I got for Christmas. You know what I'm saying? Might be tomorrow. All right. Thanks for checking in. Crypto Hop signing off. Appreciate your time as always, everybody. Have a good day. Have a good day.